Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on an Alex Duetto. This espresso machine came in with some steam boiler issues. The inlet valve had some scale, as well as the refill probe, and the steam boiler would overfill. We replaced some of the components. We also did some work on the E61 group head and descaled both boilers. See how this test shot came out here. We've got 18 grams in there. There we go. We got the pump and the expansion valve calibrated. It's right at about 10 with the resistance of the coffee. It's coming out nice. I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Maybe a little short, but that's a very nice shot. There's some hot water. The machine asks for water to replenish from the boiler. Turns off. Nice strong steam. Thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.